Alright, here's my 2007 Moomba LSV. A couple features I'll show you. It's got the swing away tongue that takes up less space if you want to store it in the garage. The trailer is a single axle trailer. There's really only two things that are even wrong with the boat or the trailer. You can see I had a blowout and the metal from the belts and the tire shredded when it shredded, messed up the trailer fender a little bit. So just cosmetic issue there. As you can see from the paint or the gel coat, it's I wax it often and everything is like new. There's really no imperfections other than one small spot that I'll show you here in a minute. In any of the gel coat, you see it has the tower with the wakeboard racks, and also it has the bimini top. It's got the glass that also opens up to access the front of the boat. I'll show you the interior in a second. The boat, as you can see from the pictures and online as well, it's charcoal gray, blue, and white ski platform. I don't know if you can see, the light's pretty bad, but you can take a look at the propeller. It is the shaft, no dings, knocks. There's the hydraulic wake plate. I'll go up inside the boat now. The interior of the boat, all the vinyl is in good shape. I'll show you one spot. Sorry about the lighting, is pretty bad, but this is the spot that a wakeboard fin someone put through. You can see how big it is. Probably about the size of a nickel. It's got the ski tow pylon, the wakeboard pylon. It's got the tower speakers. It's got the ski hooks. Battery's getting low, so I'll go faster. Over here, cup holders, two speakers, subwoofer under the cockpit. Show you the hours. There's a 58.2 hours on the boat. All the gauges, double speedometer. The Moomba Cruise has a Sirius radio with driver controls. All kinds of storage, ropes, more storage under each compartment. Engine compartment. It's been garage kept every day. More storage for wakeboards. It's got the Gravity Pro 3 ballast system. You can see there's a custom boat cover. That's one that you can drive down the road with. More wakeboard storage, life jackets. Also a bag under there. A cooler on this side. More storage under the on the passenger side of the boat. Skis, fire hydrant, battery, amplifier for a stereo system. It's a Kenwood stereo system. It has plenty of sound, detachable faceplate, remote control as well on the stereo system. Front compartment and ballast, which I can't get to stay up. It's a center ballast. Front compartment. 2 more speakers. Here's the one spot in the gel coat. Again, my thumb for reference. Probably about the size of a dime. Could easily be repaired. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to call me.